Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to compare two tables. This is going to be very useful because some cases what happened, we have a different tables which we need to compare to find the difference. So how we can do this? Here we have a list of products, their cost, price, sales and quantity, and we have the similar kind of tables with us. So what we need to do, we need to find out the difference between these two tables. So how can we do it? First we need to select the table. After selecting the table, we'll go to conditional formatting. Then from there we will choose new rules. In this tab we need to select use of formula to determine. Then here we need to apply the formula, that is equal to, first we need to select the reference point, that is going to be product from the first table. Then we will press F4 three times to make it absolute reference point. Then we'll give sign. After that we will select the second reference point, that is product from the second table. Again we'll press F4 three times to make it absolute and relative reference. Then we'll select format. From the fill section we can select any color to highlight our difference point. So we'll select this color, we'll press OK. Then again we'll press OK. So you can see in the second table all the difference amount has been highlighted. This is how you can find the difference easily. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.